Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So through this video I would like to show you the way how you can clone the subject on the picture easily with the PicsArt on your mobile phone. So you just need to open your PicsArt on your mobile phone easily, and then you just need to tap into the plus button right here and then pick the picture that you want to edit. I would like to use this picture to edit. Now if you want to clone this subject, just go tap into this tools, and there could be a clone features, this one, and then you just need to tap it. So first thing you have to do is just go drag into the which area that you want to place the clone will be. So I will like to do this, and the next you just need to start scratching into the area that you want to clone right here. Oh my bad, I think I mistakes. So again, you need to go tap into this tools, and then you just need to go pick into the subject that you want to clone, and then you just need to go tap into the area that you want to place the clone result on it, and then you just need to start to scratching the area with the brush, and then you already got the clones right away, and then you're done. You can do for the rest just with the same tutorial and step. And now you're done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again to other tutorial.